Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a live webcast through our all-in-one suite, the Tribute Center. To do a live webcast is extremely easy. First off, we click on the live option. We choose what camera we would like to use, and then also we'll pick our audio source. Down here, we will have the webcast quality. I'm just going to keep standard selected. And then I have the option of whether or not I would like to password protect the webcast. If I would like to password protect it, I can click that option, and then I can choose any password that I'd like. For this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and not choose a password. Now over on the right-hand side, we have over 450 themes that you can choose for how you want to personalize the online player. So this is going to be the online player that a family is going to be able to watch this video from your website. For this demo, again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the Antique Flowers theme. I'm going to click Next. Now what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to schedule the event. So let's say, for an example, with Jane Smith, let's say she passed away today, and let's just say the service is already going to be scheduled for tomorrow, and we want to set this webcast for tomorrow at, let's just say, 3 p.m. Go ahead and set that. Set your time zone. Once you set your time zone in the software once, you'll never have to set it again. It will remember that for all of your future tributes. And then the software has already created your player URL. So what you can do with this is you can actually highlight it, and then you can copy and paste this into your website. Now, on the right-hand side, this is how you can invite attendees to your webcast. Our software program automatically creates a really personalized invitation. It'll have the deceased picture in it with their name and dates, and it'll have the event date and time automatically formatted in an email. So for an example, let's say I wanted to send this to matt@FrazierConsultants.com. I would simply do this. I would do a comma, and then maybe if I also want to send it to Mike@FrazierConsultants.com, that's how you would do it. You would simply put a comma, and then you would type the next email, and you can send it out to as many attendees as you wish. Once you get completed with that, you hit the next button. Now, when you hit the next button, you're going to see that the camera automatically is in preview mode. And hi, this is Matt Frazier. When you're going to see the green button in the upper right-hand corner, it currently says preview. Now, if we want to take this webcast live so that everybody can start seeing the live stream through your website, all you have to do is click the play button. And we're going to go from just preview mode to actually broadcasting live. And what you're going to see happen is in this upper right-hand corner, you're going to see the green button turn red. Once it turns red, you know that now you're live out on the internet. So let's wait for this to go ahead and turn red. Okay, now it says we're broadcasting live. So this stream is live. Once you get done with your broadcast, to stop it, you simply hit the stop button. Okay, now that it's stopped, we can go ahead and we can click the next button. Now, when we click the next button, it's going to actually take us from the broadcast screen directly to the edit screen. This is one of the features that separates Frazier Consultants from every single other webcast provider that's out there today. Nobody else has any editing capabilities whatsoever. So let me give you an example of some funeral homes who have been doing webcasting for a while now, and some of the things that they've told us that we need to have in our program that makes it very useful for when you're doing a webcast. For an example, let's say you do a webcast and you think that you shut off the camera, but you realized you didn't. And all of a sudden you have a couple minutes worth of people kind of running around the chapel, and with the other guy's webcasting software, you either A, have to just keep it as is, or B, you have to find a secondary video editing program to try to edit that out of there. With our software program, all you have to do is, let's say for an example, I wanted to edit off the last few seconds of the webcast. I just simply use the crop tool. Maybe I even want to crop. Maybe even I want to crop some of the beginning of the webcast. Again, use the crop tool. Maybe there is a point where I want to add a caption to this webcast. So, for an example, let's say there's this service, and maybe it is the daughter or the son that's getting up to the podium to speak in honor of maybe their mom or dad or grandma or grandpa. And in the edited version of this webcast, you want to be able to point that out on exactly who is that's up at the podium. So literally what you can do is you can put this playhead right on top of the video at the point where that person is actually up at the podium, and then you can hit the caption button. Now, when you hit the caption button, all you have to do is click in the box, and you can say, John Doe, and then you can set the font color, the style, the size to anything you want, and then also you can set the duration on how long you actually want that caption to stay up for. So by default, we just set that to 5 seconds. Now, once you set this, you hit the insert button, and when you hit the insert button, you'll also notice that we put a little A on the timeline. So if for some reason you made a mistake, you can click that A, and it takes you right back to that caption, and you can edit it any way that you want. Now, when this is all done, you've got the editing done, you've got your captions done, all you'll do is hit the next button. It's going to ask you if you want to save the changes. You hit yes. Now, when you save the changes, it's then going to re-encode the video with your changes that you've placed onto this video. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to wait for that to happen. Okay, now in the preview and burn screen, what it's going to do is from the preview tribute, you can do a live preview of this edited webcast that you've just produced. Also, we have a burn DVD button. So right now you could put in the blank DVD, hit the burn DVD button, and it automatically will burn the DVD for you at one click of a button. And then also at one click of a button, you can go ahead and upload your edited version of this webcast back out to your website. So that's how easy it is to do webcasting. Any questions at all, please let us know.